Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 2008. In this video I'll show you how safe this car is. The Peugeot 2008 has strong safety structure and includes systems like automatic emergency braking and lane assist. It received a 4-star rating from Euro NCAP, which is still considered good in its class. Safety standard features include AEB with pedestrian detection and lane support system. Higher trims add more advanced radar-based systems, and overall it provides solid protection and modern safety tech. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.